Yeah, I mean you can use your own fonts, you can use your own icons, you can use your own images. So no problem there. Then one thing that I want us to see and understand is now let's follow this. And you see the loading is done correctly without problem. So another folder that we may need to have or modify a bit is this. No, this one for app.json, that they can go hand in hand with this image. But the image now they cannot be used because there is no direction in which they can be used. So in order to use these images and display something, we need to have our own way of direction or direction wise. So how do we achieve that? We can have another folder, just a root folder. We can call it types. Types, alright? That folder is very important. So let's see what is in the types folder.